Igbos have received insult because of Lagos. All the tribes in Nigeria, only Lagos State, some Yorubas in Lagos, is only them that have given Igbos a very big insult in Lagos. The other time they are demolishing their house and their shops in Lagos. What did Igbos committed in Nigeria? And Jagaban Tinubu is a Yoruba man. You people are doing protests against your brother in Lagos, and Igbos keep quiet because Igbo know if they talk, all of you will be against them. They keep quiet. Upon they keep quiet, they don't join you people to destroy Lagos. They don't join you people to speak against your brother Tinubu. Now you people have rise up telling them they should go for Lagos. Every day Igbos must go in Lagos. Every day Igbos must go in Lagos. Every day. And you people are using indirect way, collecting their land, collecting their property. How many times have Igbos said that all the Yoruba churches, Deeper Life is full all the Igbo land? Winners Church is full all the Igbo land. Even Ledim, some Yoruba pastors, their church is plenty in Igbo land, and Igbos no collect tribalism. They welcome them with peaceful. Even some of Igbos follow be the church of Yoruba man in Igbo land. How many times have Igbos rise, tell them they should close their church? Why are you people practicing tribalism in this country? I will say it as a messenger of God. You people should stop it. And